Okay, today Landon got something special in the mail.
I'm totally broke now, but I got a Big Gun exhaust for my ghetto rancher. Here she is.
Big Gun?
I just got it today.
Kind of exhaust.
Big Gun Evo U. She's a beaut. Got the whole everything. Got stickers with it and everything. Pretty cool. I didn't get a lot of instructions. I don't think I even got instructions.
Just look it up on YouTube. Yep, you want to do a before startup?
Alright, so this is what I had it on for. I don't know what this is. So, this is the old stock exhaust with a new tip on it.
You're gonna do it before startup?
Oh yeah, okay, yeah. This is before startup. Basically like a stock, so I think it's sound very good. Yep. Right now it's like really clingy and I don't like it, so we'll see how it does.
Okay, we got the plastics off.
Yeah, we got the plastics off.
And it looks pretty cool.
Pretty cool. This right here has to come off. Oh, it's hot. I mean, yeah, that's come off from there, right there. And
Cody?
yep. So that's what we're gonna work on next. Is getting it off from there. All right, we got the stock exhaust off, O2 sensor off, and everything. And now it's time to put on the Big Gun exhaust. Yep.
Okay, we figured out the hard way that if you have a full exhaust system, it's best to put the separate pipes together before you put it in there. It just makes things easier.
Yeah, we just figured that out.
And go ahead and put in your O2 sensor.
Yeah. So you have the long run.
Yep. And try to line it up right. Don't tighten it. So you can adjust it when you get down there. Yeah. So yeah. We're about to put on the exhaust in a few short moments.
Yep.
Alright, this is the first startup of it. We don't have a tuner, but we're just going to start it. Oh my gosh, dude. That was hurting my ears.
I told y'all. That's louder than I expected. Good lord. Holy crap.
4 to 6 days later.
Okay, this has been like a week.
Yeah, 5 days later we got the tuner for our
power box.
four-wheeler. And when you're buying one of these, you have to get one of these or you'll run lean. Method before wheeler. Just drop one of these. Zip ties. And yeah, we're gonna install it right now. So yeah. All right. So it does. It plugs. Is it that?
All right, we're gonna try to figure out which ones to plug it into. Because it looks kind of complicated. There's two things to plug up. But which ones? Okay, so far we have we plugged it into that.
Yeah.
And then when you unplug it, it has another connector and you plug that into the old one.
Right here. Yeah.
So yeah, and then you ground it over here. So it's ground.
Yeah, right. Yep. We're almost done. I'm so excited.
We got everything plugged up. We got the ground plugged up. And it's really hot in here. Yeah. I think you just start it and it does it on its own.
Sure, you don't have to press mode first?
Just turn the key.
Yep. Hello, baby.
Okay.
Now.
So if you see two green, that means it's Good to go.
What's that smell? Is it that? It almost smells like a grill.
Well, I think sounds good.
Not recording.
Sounds like a motorcycle.
It's like he gasses real hard and the muffler blows off the back. Oh, stop.
Holy crap.
Better watch out.
Jeez.
Dude. He's gonna tackle you.
Yeah, he was about to.